Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use partnership ads on Facebook. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Simply, of course, log into your Facebook Ads Manager or Meta Ads Manager, and then go to Ads Manager right here through your Facebook account. Once you're into the main portal, all you have to do is to go to the left side. Now you might be staying on campaigns, but actually you will have to go here, click on the All Tools section. Once you click on All Tools, you're going to click on Business Settings, right here. Once you click on business settings, it's going to show you right here, right now. Just click on any of the ones that you want to choose. So for example, I'll choose this one. Once you select any of your businesses, then from here you can see in the left side, there are many sections. And so we're going to focus on the one that is down below, which is saying Partnership Ads Hub. Click on that. Once you go to the Partnership Ads Hub, you're going to get started. And as you can see right here, you can see from the partners section, you can add new partners to your ads. So once you make any new ad, you can simply click on Add Partnership. And then from here, you're going to simply search for the creator's account. So for example, I'm going to choose mine. Once you have that, click on Done. Then click on Next. Then you're going to select whatever business asset you want to add them on. So for example, this one. Click on Next. Then as you can see, you have the ad partner and the business asset that they have access to. Now it might show errors just because one of the creator has to be either a professional or a creator account. This is just my personal, and you will need to have an actual ad to partner anyone with it. So make sure that you have both of them set. And once you have those done, then once you send the request, it's just going to send them a request like a DM on their Instagram message, and they just have to approve it and they're in. And then you can just add them to any ad. So this is great so that once you publish any ads, it's not going to be on their page or they're not going to own any of it. So it's going to be fully for yours and full of your control. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.